Kaya pwede kong bilhin sa kanila. I know just the perfect gift for them, V Jewelry. Okay, let's check out their website. For mom, maybe something classic. Simple but also elegant. There. Oh, this is perfect. How about for Sandino? This one. Chill but stylish. Perfect for his everyday outfits. And for my sisters, how about matching bracelets? One for Niela and one for Tali. There you go. Now we're all set for Christmas. Now it's your turn to buy the perfect gift at V Jewelry.
Towards about growth, di ba? Okay, di ba yun naman ang gusto nating lahat, growth. At may pinapasabi rin pala si Belle, it's okay to meet and greet, other people, but we'll never say goodbye.
Ang ganda naman nun.
Yun ang sabi niya kanina, katabi ko si Belle.
At dahil dyan, panoorin niyo po ang Meet, Greet, and Buy.
Yeah.
Malapit na po yan. November 11 po, ang premiere. Ayan.
ABS-C.
Ang premiere.
Premiere.
Oh,
November 12.
alam mo, mali ako.
November 11, ang premiere. November 12, ang
Premiere.
showing.
Tama,
Yes.
tama.
Oh, alam na alam ni Donnie yan.
Me and Belle are very supportive towards you.
Red carpet. Maghiyawan naman po para kay Belle Mariano. Nakakakilig. Siyempre po, panoorin niyo po si Belle sa Meet, Greet, and Buy. Grabe, ang ganda ng trailer. Hello, Belle! Picture, picture, picture.
Kahit sino man sa amin iharap sa pulang langit, makikita ang lakas.
Thank you, thank